Hi and welcome to Effective Digital Filing. I'm Lynette Delane. As a small business owner, how you spend your time on a daily basis can have a marked effect on the success of your business. My productivity mentor, Joe Bendel, regularly cites this quote from F. Matthias Alexander. People do not decide their futures, they decide their habits, and their habits decide their futures. Well, how you file your documents is one of the most common habits that you form in your business. You might just dump the files in a rough location, a bit like a dirty clothes pile in the corner of the bedroom. Or you might be meticulous about the folder that they go into, but then not change the file name to suit, and therefore have problems finding it when you want. Whichever way you're currently doing your digital filing, you are here because you are looking to improve your productivity and reduce the overwhelm that surrounds your business. While this isn't the sexiest of subjects, although I think it is something that affects your business life throughout your working day and week, and therefore can have a huge impact on your productivity. Let's get rid of that dirty laundry pile of digital files so that you can find what you need when you need it, whether you're looking for it in a day, in a week, or a year from now. You get this course and more as part of your monthly Toolkit membership. Just $30 per user. If you're ready, hit the I'm ready button and let's get started.